Hello and welcome everyone once again to Earth MotorCars. Oh, thank you, the background noise is gone. Look at that. The odds are in our favor today, folks. Today we've got a beautiful example of, we've got a beautiful example of a 2011 Ferrari 458. But as you can see, this isn't really a normal 458, guys. It's been eating a little bit. This one has a custom wide body kit sitting on some gorgeous Strauss wheels, carbon fiber all over it with these beautiful tail lights. And just when you thought the wide body kit was enough, it does not end there, folks. This right here is a valved ARMYTRIX exhaust, which is absolutely deafening. This thing sounds like an F1 car at full throttle. The 458 is one of my personal favorite cars. I have a little bit of a history with them that I do not want to get into. But this car, oh my goodness, we are gonna have a good time, folks. I cannot wait for you guys to hear this thing. And we are in a very nice, I don't know what word to use. It's a very audio-friendly area over here. The acoustics are gonna be very nice if we can make a little bit of noise in this area before we leave, which is exactly what we are going to do, folks. Gorgeous seats. Oh yes, here we are. In the 458. All right, so we're in race mode so that the valves stay open. This is just a little taste, guys. Oh my goodness, come on. Listen to this, guys. Okay, as we do in every video, we are going to be upsetting some people with this vehicle. Alrighty, and off we go. Typical touchy Ferrari throttle. I personally love it. It's a little bit of a subjective thing. This car is always, always, always on its toes. Oh, that's awesome. We are gonna toot around this little town over here. We're in downtown Carrollton, Texas. I'm getting some interesting reactions in this car on the way here. Oh, lordy, lordy, Michael Jordy. This is something else. Don't want to be disrespectful here. It was very tempting. Oh, this thing's very low to the ground. I gotta take literally every intersection like this. You just don't get this feeling with the turbos, man. I know the Pista is cool, the 488 GTB is cool, the F8 is cool, they're all in their own right. Those are very fast cars, but you just don't get that. You just don't get that. Oh, the echo. My goodness. See, the initial reaction is this, dang, look at that Ferrari. And then they see me in the driver's seat with this gargantuan GoPro setup strapped to my head. And they're like, what is going on over here? This is one of the most unique cars we've had at Earth MotorCars. It actually came to us 4 years ago, before I was even at Earth. And it was in this condition. It was wide-bodied, it was yellow, and we have a very good relationship. We have a very good relationship with the customer, so they brought it right back to us whenever it was time for him to let it go. Speed limit is 35. I'm going to be struggling with that a little bit, but we're going to try our best to keep it at around 35, and we'll do a little tunnel test whenever we get back near the shop. Alrighty, now we're back in an area where there is less law enforcement and higher speed limits, and a tunnel, and a bridge. So, we're gonna be hitting all of those spots so you guys can really feel what this thing is all about. Don't scrape, don't scrape, don't scrape, don't scrape, don't scrape. Oh, I made it. We're gonna hit it at the bridge. That's what we're gonna do. Oh, no, 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 don't get wet, don't get wet, don't get wet. I don't want to get wet. I hate this, I hate this, I hate this, I hate this. Ah, dang it. Freshly detailed. Do I spy a Civic Type R? I think I do. Oh, that's a police station. Well, that was quite violent. I have really no words. I'm speechless. Burbles on the downshifts, man. Nothing can beat an NA Ferrari V8, just absolutely screaming. Now we are back once again. Check this car out on our website. It is for sale. It has been taken care of its whole life. This concludes our video, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. We're gonna come back with some more crazier cars for you guys, some more classics, some more exotics, and luxury cars as well. Like this video and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content, and we'll see you guys at the next one.